What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Steph, and today I'm about to hit the gym. I'm about to see what all I can do in there, man. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, get back consistent in that jump. But I used to go to the gym all the time, like every single day. And then I took a little break because I felt like work in the gym was getting to me, man. But today I'm about to go in there and I'm about to show what I do when I actually go to the gym. It's like a set thing and I'm trying to increase it every single time when I go in there. So today is gonna be a little gym vlog. I always start off with a little protein shake before I go in there. And sometimes I do before and after, but I'm gonna just show y'all how I actually mix it up. And then we're gonna head to the gym. So let's go. Alright, so now we're in the kitchen, you feel me? And I'm about to show y'all how I actually mix my protein shake before I actually get inside the gym. So the first thing we're gonna need is, a blender. You feel me? Get you a blender, get you a small blender so it's easy to blend everything. What you wanna do is just get you a blender, a small one with a little top like this. You know what I'm saying? If it's small like a pack like this, you're gonna want to use it over and over again without the complications with a wash. You know what I'm saying? So you just get you a small blender like this, you good to go. All you're gonna need is this cup, the blender, ice, water, your protein powder, and I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna wanna use ice, you know what I'm saying? Ice and water. I'm telling you, the way I'm gonna do this, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good, I'm telling you. Like, showing you the secrets on how I learned, and when I tasted it, I'm like, oh snap, this is good. You feel me? So I'm telling you, you don't need no milk, just use water. I got a small ice tray, but I got like 7 cubes of ice up in here. So make sure you fill up your ice tray too. For anybody else might use your ice tray, you're always wondering why the ice is never filled up. Make sure you fill up your ice tray. You know what I'm saying? Alright, now that you got your ice in your cup, fill it up with either cold or hot water. Sometimes I might put hot water in here so the ice will melt better, but it really don't matter. But yeah, fill up your ice. I'm gonna show you. Alright, so it's like almost filled up. I might have put too much water in here, but that's all you're gonna need. Next, get the protein powder. This is what I use. It really don't matter what protein powder you're gonna use, but make sure for this recipe right here, make sure you get chocolate, because if you get chocolate, it's gonna be real good for what I'm about to show you. Make sure you have some peanut butter. Peanut butter is the main difference. It's the deciding factor on what you're gonna need for it to taste good. I'm telling you, the shake right here, it's gonna be busting with this peanut butter. This is what your protein shake's been missing. So you might be like how I used to be, have a protein powder thing just sitting on top of your refrigerator for a long time and never used it because you don't bought it and it's like, damn man, it don't taste good. So now, boom, this is what you was missing all this time. Get you a spoon and take a big scoop. Take a big scoop of this right here. Hold on. I feel like I'm ducking all the time. Okay, so make sure you get a big scoop of this right here. Focus, focus, focus. It's always focusing. Okay, there you go. Get you, you know what I'm saying? It really don't matter what the brand is. Just get you some peanut butter, you know? So get a big old scoop of this peanut butter with a spoon. And I mean, ridiculous scoop. Like, it don't have to be gigantic, but make sure it's kind of ridiculous when it comes to the peanut butter. Like, you ain't never seen yourself grabbing a big old scoop like this of peanut butter. Like, this is kind of ridiculous, but this is exactly what you need. All right, so I'm gonna drop that in there. Really, the more peanut butter is in there, the better it tastes. So, and for the sake of the children and for my family members, that are watching my videos, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying so hard to watch my language, you know, because I never noticed until I watched my past videos myself on how crazy my language was. So I gotta watch my language. I'm trying to keep it PG, trying to keep it clean. People be texting me like, watch your language, man. What's going on with all that necessary profanity? I'm like, my bad, my bad. And I watch my own videos myself, like, why I'm cursing so much? I don't even know, man. It's just, I'm a product of my environment, I guess. Alright, so you got the peanut butter. It's looking like this. It's looking like, you know, ice water with peanut butter in it. Next, get your protein powder. It really don't matter what kind of protein powder you get, but make sure you got a lot of protein in it. Usually the proteins usually be around like 20 to like 80 grams. Right here say 60 grams. So if you're gonna get some that says around 40 to 60 grams. 40 or 60 grams of protein is good for, you know, you trying to get some muscles, you know what I'm saying? Because I used to be skinny. I used to be real skinny, you know. So I'm trying to actually gain muscle, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually filling up my shirts nowadays. So I'm doing something right. And I'm actually think I'm doing something crazy because my nails are like getting long, man. My nails are getting long. Like, I actually did a Google search on protein, like what are hair and nails made out of, and they say it's made out of protein. I noticed that my nails are getting like stiff, and that's basically they're getting stronger and they're growing longer. So maybe I'm thinking that protein is like what you need, like a protein shake every single day, because I've been taking this protein shake every single day. Like, I actually took a week off, like a good 2 weeks off from lifting weights, and then I noticed that over the past few months from January, I've been lifting weights consistently, and basically I noticed that my nails is getting stronger. So maybe like that's what made me want to do all this. I'm like, maybe I'm doing something right, because maybe I'm getting healthier and my nails is growing longer. Maybe I'm getting healthier by, you know, intaking more protein. This scoop is kind of big. Like, usually scoops are like this small, but mine is like gigantic right now. All right, make sure you put your scoop of protein in there. You know what I'm saying? Dang, this scoop is too big. It be falling out. Look like a sandcastle in there. But it's alright though. It's alright though. And the last ingredient, after you got your ice, your water, your peanut butter, and your chocolate protein powder, then you got one more thing, and that is a cookie. And these are one of my favorite cookies. Put your Oreo cookie in there, and then I think it's something to do with the actual cookie crust. This Oreo cookie with the crust and the cream that's on the inside, I think it got something to do with both of these inside to make it taste good. Focus. Focus, man. Goodness gracious. Just drop this inside of there too. And boom, you got your completeness of a protein shake. I'm gonna throw this top on, and let's see what the finished product gonna be. Alright, looks something like this. Make sure you shake it up. That looks so disgusting. And after that, you just gotta blend it up. Like I said, get you one of these small blenders right here, and you be good to go. Cause all I gotta do is put it in and twist it. Take it off, shake it up one more time. Shake it up one more time, one more time. And now you good to go. It's the best protein shake you ever have in your life. Telling you. Take it off. It just looked like a chocolate milkshake. I'm telling you. Y'all want some of this, man? Look at this, man. Look at this. The ice gonna be coming to the top. I'm telling you, it's gonna be good. And I'm not just saying that. It's actually good. So follow these steps I gave you with the ice, water, peanut butter cookie, protein shake. Make sure it's chocolate. And you're gonna have you a Reese's peanut butter chocolate milkshake before you go to the gym. And make sure you eat too. Eating is important. Just, you know what I'm saying? Light meal, something before you take this, and then haul it down, then you be ready to go to the gym. Let's go. Damn, it's like crazy. I should just start recording in the daytime, but I got a nighttime job and I be up at night, so I actually have to get up a little early than what I usually do. And right now it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I want to go and get some sunlight and go in the daytime basically. So I'm gonna catch y'all later when I get ready to go to the gym. Ooh.